Welcome. In this video, we will see how to plot the characteristics of N-channel MOSFET using Cadence Virtuoso. So Cadence Virtuoso is a very good software for any VLSI design student. So as you can see, we have a N-channel MOSFET. I have connected drain to source voltage also and gate to source voltage also, and we will do the analysis of this N-channel MOSFET. So first we will do the DC analysis. So we will save the DC operating point. Then we will plot the component parameter. So first we will select the component. So first I am selecting the gate to source voltage. So first I am selecting the drain to source voltage. So we will plot the drain characteristics of the N channel MOSFET. So we have selected the drain to source voltage. Now we will sweep it from 0 to 0.9 volt and we will apply. So we have applied the DC characteristics. Now we will select the gate to source voltage from the cell view. So we have selected the gate to source voltage. Now we will select the output to be plotted. The output is drain current. So we will click on the drain terminal and that will give you the drain current. So in this way we can plot the drain current. Now we will click on the parametric analysis, select VGS as one of the variable. So first we will give the value of VGS. So again we will give value of VGS as 0.9 volt or 900 millivolt. So we will sweep it from 0 to 0.9 volt. Select the step mode as linear steps and select the step size as 0.2 volt. So do the simulation and as you can see the drain characteristics are plotted on the graph. So we can see these are the drain characteristics. On the x-axis we have the drain to source voltage, on the y-axis we have the drain current in microampere. So as you can see these curves are plotted for different values of VGS. VGS equal to 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6 and 0.8. So we can choose a white background also for these graph. We can add a label also. So these are the drain characteristics. So we will write the label as drain characteristics using the graph label options in Cadence Virtuoso. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. I regularly make videos related to VLSI design and electronics and communication engineering, and these will be very helpful for you. So we have plotted the drain characteristics of N-channel MOSFET. Now we will plot the transfer characteristics also. So transfer characteristics will be plotted now for different values of drain to source voltage. So now we will change the name as VDS and apply here, and we will give 0.9 volt as the drain to source voltage. Sorry, gate to source voltage. So click check and save. So our design is now saved. So as you can see no errors were found. So launch ADEL and do the DC analysis. So select DC, again select component parameter. Now we will select the gate to source voltage. So select component parameter as DC voltage and we will sweep it from 0 volt to 0.9 volt. Click apply. So the DC characteristics are applied, DC analysis is applied. Now again we will add the drain to source voltage as the variable because we will vary this, so it is a design variable. Now we will select the output to be plotted from the schematic. So as you can see I have clicked on the drain node, so drain current will be plotted. Again go to tools, go to parametric analysis, select a variable as VDS from 0 volt to 0.9 volt with linear steps and a step size of 0.2. So in this way we can plot the transfer characteristics also. Click on run. So as you can see, it will run the simulation, and these are the transfer characteristics. So you can see these are for transfer characteristics. So gate to source voltage is on x axis, drain current is on y axis. Again we will change the background color to white. So you can see VDS equal to 0.8 first curve, then VDS equal to 0.6, then 0.4, then 0.2, then 0 volt. So in this way we can plot the characteristics of the n-channel MOSFET. Thank you. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. And if you have any doubt in this, you can post your comment in the comment box. I reply to all the comments. Thank you.